To all the tourists who have been here in Japan for the first time or for many times, inviting you to join me to discover the inner beauty of Nippon! And now let's go to one of the best or greatest waterfalls in Japan, Shiraito Falls.
500 yen?
500 yen.
滝近いですか?
Soft cream. Ayan. Medyo mainit-init. So let's and guys, soft cream. Ito masarap dito kasi galing sa pinigang dede ng mga baka. Ang sarap niya, hindi siya ganun katamis. Number 1 pala to, oh. No, soft serve ice cream, the best. Rent out too. Okay, 90 minutes, 1,000 yen. 3 hours is 2,000 yen. O, yan, oh, may enjoy nyo na ang electric bicycle. Gusto ko to. Wow! Kona niyaro ko, no?
Kukode ka.
Ayan. Kala ko dami natin lalakarin. Doko kara, from here. Walk, sightseeing. Okay, stop again dyan. Naku, kaidan, may hagdan. Amadoro, tapos na. Hindi na iikot. Babalik ulit. Hindi na umikot. From the Philippines, of course. Wow, I love nature! Guys, this is one of the best places here in Japan that you must visit. Shiraito Falls is known as the greatest waterfalls in Japan, and it is located in Fujinomiya, Shizuoka Prefecture, near Mount Fuji. It is listed as one of Japan's top 100 waterfalls in a listing published by the Japanese Ministry of the Environment in 1990. Hi, I'm Marianga, Filipina, living here in Japan, and showing you one of the best places that you must visit here in Yamanashi.
Shizuoka.
Shizuoka! Ano ba hinihintay nyo? Please visit Shizuoka! Shiraito Falls has a very clear water, and it is the most popular sightseeing spot in Shizuoka. The falls are regarded as sacred under the Fuji cult, so visitors do not swim in the striking deep blue and green colored water.
Ikanai.
So guys, what are you waiting for? Visit Shizuoka, Japan! Ang ganda niya, mapapa-thank you Lord ka talaga. Ang galing-galing ni God gumawa. Nakakatanggal ng stress, ng pagod sa buhay natin dito sa Japan. Thank you Lord talaga. You know guys, aside from Ion air, yung mist ng waterfalls, ang ganda. Nag-aano siya sa face ko. Nakakaganda talaga ang nature. Thank you sa filter. As I'm always telling you guys, ang mga fun things dito sa Japan, hindi lang mag-enjoy yung bibig mo sa sarap ng pagkain, yung mata mo sa ganda ng view, yung lungs mo, yung ilong mo sa bango, at ganda ng sariwang hangin. Pagod ka rin. May exercise sa mga muscles mo, ang blood circulation mo, kasi mapapalakad ka. At pag sinuwerte-swerte ka, mapapahagdan ka. Ang taas. But anyway, it's a good thing kasi it's a good form of exercise. At lalaki ang mga butas ng nostrils mo. Alright. Omiyage. Souvenir area. Oh, hachitsu daw. Tako's favorite, honeybee. Guys, so napakasimple lang, oh. Kahit dito, dala ka ng obento, lunch pack mo, puka dyan. Oh, naririnig mo at ang fresh air. By the way, it's free entrance po dito. Wow, tingnan mo naman. Oh, di ba? Alright guys, thanks God. Nakikita na natin ang ulo ni Mount Fuji. Sana yung talagang not cloudy, makikita natin siya complete. Whole body ni Mount Fuji. Sarap nito. Please buy. Nikai Medes. Ano, Sakito Naji. Oh, Oh, shikata.
Thank you. これ今朝の牛乳生。バニラビーンが入ってない。
すごい。
ゆっくり食べてください。
はい、食べます。木曜、今2回目。And now let's wander around this charming village here in Shizuoka, Saiko Iyashi no Sato Nenba.
Iyashi no Sato.
Saiko Iyashi no Sato. Ang pangalan ng place na to. May entrance fee siya, Gohaken. Old village siya. Let's go. Toilet naman ito, parang bahay na sa atin. Oh my God. Oh my God, ito junior high school field trip. Kirei desu, arigatou gozaimasu. Look at this. Ganda. Grabe naman, ang linis ng tubig. Ang sarap tumira dito. Admission fee, 500 yen for adults. Konnichiwa, onegaishimasu. 2 days. Oh, they have English version. Thank you. Philippines. Hi, mabuhay. I got English version. Welcome to Saito Iyashi no Sato Member. Welcome to Saiko Iyashi no Sato Nenba. Ito yung mga old houses dito sa Japan, mga parang old village in this place. Kaya ma-enjoy mo yung talagang parang native na mga Japanese lifestyle here. Restaurant siya. This area is the information. If you got lost, if you need a wheelchair or anything that you want to know, please ask them. Go in this center or area. This way, sir. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga asubi or mga pasyalan dito sa Japan. Hindi lang mata mo, may enjoy yung fresh air. Saka yung walking system. You need to exercise. And this area is another dessert area. Okay? Soft cream. Wow! Ayan, ito yung aking pinapa to yung mga corn. Ayan, para siyang, ano sa atin, national, ano ba yun? Sa Intramuros. Na yung look at this, guys. It's made up of 5,000 pieces of origami Fuji-san, Mount Fuji. Look, can you see it? It's Mount Fuji. And also store. Iigiban nila ng tubig. Ito yung pagkaano ng bigas. Tingnan nyo. I had an experience of this long time ago. Ito naman lagayan daw ng mga pagkain nun. Nice.
お茶でも飲んでください。
はい、いただきます。
5月の5日は男の子の節句。で 兜と兜ですよ。
You can experience wearing kimono. You can also rent kimono or yukata for 2,000 yen. Ito yung mga rental kimono for 2,000 yen. Visit this place and you experience wearing their kimono and mingle around. Tour ka na dyan sa labas. Ganda niya. Yan! This village was destroyed by a landslide during typhoon in 1966. And 40 years later, these traditional villages were constructed and reopened as an open-air museum and traditional craft village where people can learn about the culture. Using clay in this area. And I think it's a store as well. Ay, sugoi. 2,000 yen. Ang mahal. Ah, husoy. Parang mabilis mabasag. Mababasag lang ito na rin. Nani kayo tiro, no? Dolan. Ay, tacha, ikaga desu ka? Itadakimasu. Guys, if you wanna make your own cup or anything like this, you can do it here. Ayan. Or you buy these things and you put color. Ayan, napabili ako. Oh, Japan silk. Okay, ito yan na galing yan dito.
一遍お邪魔します。
Mga silk nila guys. Ah, very soft.
Mhm.
I didn't think about the silk necktie. Oh, it's so... It's not expensive, guys. Supreme or napakamahal. Kinakain ng mga karas, yung ng mga crow, yung the cherry ba to? I don't know what kind of fruit is that. But they like it. Ayan, naglalaglagan. Cafeteria. Ayan. Ayan, Japanese snacks and sweets. Ayan. Let's go inside! Guys, let's experience Japanese style.
これ見て。
Kotatsu.
ここに電気が入ってる。
Ah, ito yung mga unang panahon na dining table or living table ng mga Japanese. Look, there is a heater. Ah, doon ang heater sa taas. Ah, okay. May heater siya sa baba. Kaya bawal lang mabahong medyas dito, guys, ha? Stinky socks. Stinky feet is not allowed. Kaya chisay to kining. Ah, nung malilit daw pa sila, ganyan sila. Ginagaling. Kasi pag winter here in Japan, talaga super lamig, right? So, dyan sila nagtutumpul-tumpag. Kumakain sila ng oranges. Yan. Pag winter, yan ang mga suot nila. Nakaganyan sila. Tapos, papasok sila dito sa loob ng table. Kotatsu is a low wooden table frame covered by a futon or heavy blanket upon which a tabletop sits. Guys, mainit sa loob. Ay! Ay, ang sarap! Parang ang pandak-pandak ng kachisay na mami. Ang taas. Ang taas ng table. Ita. Oranges during winter. Ang init niya sa loob. Naku, parang ayaw mo na lumabas. Nakasatodit ako na yun. Parang dahan-dahan ka talagang antokin. Good night. Imbis na itadakimasu. And good things, guys. They are allowed the customers to wear this. Tinamay ko na.
Hanten.
Hanten. Hanten is a traditional Japanese short winter coat which is thickly padded.
3回回して。 たらハンカチ出してこう拭いてでも合わせて飲むでみんなこう持ってこう1、2、3
Ganito ang tamang pag-inom.
いいよ手前ですってこう
Iyo, temay des. Ayan, pagkuha mo, medyo mainit siya guys. Ayan siya. Tapos ilalagay mo siya dito. Ayan. Tatlong ikot. 1, 2, 3. Yung pang ganyan. Parang matapos siya. Iyo, temay des.
こう拭いて
で、もう一回回す。
回してで返す
どうぞ召し上がりください。Ayan guys, tingnan yung kakainin namin.
食べて
The left side is tokoroteng and the right side is different kinds of mochi and my green tea. On the top of this mochi is anko, edamame, shoyu, kinako, nishirui. Yung sa taas is maybe matcha and the other one is sakura flavor. Let's taste it. Look, Fuji-Q Highlando! Panalo sa rides! Thank you for watching. Up next, one of the best things that you should do here in Yamanashi! Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time on my next ride. See ya! Matane! God be the glory!